Lag spikes in Call of Duty can disrupt gameplay and lead to frustration. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you minimize or eliminate these issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. This can include enabling quality of service OS to prioritize gaming traffic and ensuring that your router's firmware is up to date. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume bandwidth or processing power. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other online activities. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Call of Duty to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes, especially if your hardware is not high-end. Step 5. Choose the right server. When playing, select a server that is geographically closer to you. This can significantly reduce latency and improve your overall gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with reduced lag spikes. Enjoy your game.